Welcome everybody back to the class again. Okay, so I don't need to introduce myself to you because we know one another. Okay, but let us just do some of the housekeeping rules. And I would like to emphasize that everybody have to participate and we have to be in class on time because we are running short of time. Okay, so today I would like you all to each one take a card. Okay, I want the honeybees to sit on this side and the fly to sit on this side. Okay, yesterday you all watched the video on the honeybees and the fly, the mindset of a successful relationship. So I want you all, the honeybee come to the honeybee side, the fly come to the fly side, and ask yourself, can you work with the other group of with honeybee? Can you work with the fly? And the fly, can you work with the honeybee? If can, why can? If cannot, why cannot? Okay, you have 2 minutes to do it.
Okay. You right one.
Okay, 1 more minute to go. Okay, you finish, you can go back to your seat.
Sorry, Freddie.
Okay,
sorry,
now
Freddie,
I want.
I need to make a step up
Okay,
for a while.
you can step up. Okay, no problem. So I would like the fly to go to the honeybee side and the honeybees to go to the fly side and see whether you all agree with the answer. Okay, happy with the answer? If not, come back to your seat. If you are happy, come back to your seat. So you find that the fly find difficulty working with the honeybees because they are looking at the negative. Well, the honeybees are looking at the fly. They said they can because they are looking at the positive. Okay, so in real life, in a working place, the same thing. We have conflicting goals, we got conflicting style, we also have different personal values. And because of all this, there will be conflict. So today's purpose is how do we solve the conflict? Okay, so so the learning outcome at the end of this session, we will identify the various styles of managing conflict, and we will employ conflict management in church environment. Okay, clear so far?
Yes.
There are 359 million scenarios in peak hour, equivalent to 385 millions of working days that are lost because of workplace conflict. This happened in the United States. But how about Singapore? I believe Singapore is also suffering from workplace conflict. Okay, so and the church are not spared. The church are also having this kind of workplace conflict around. So Thomas Gilman actually identified there are 5 styles of solving conflict. Okay, they are the competing, the collaborating, the compromising, the avoiding, and the accommodating. Okay? So these are the 5 styles. So now I want you all, okay, I'm distributing to you all. Okay? The honeybee take the yellow cards. Okay, and the fly take the blue cards. Okay, I want you all to go to your respective side, and I want you all to paste in area, like what I did for the compromising. Because the honeybees are doing the 2C, and the flies are doing the 2A. You have another 2 more minutes to do that? Yeah. Okay, finish.
Yes, finish, finish.
Okay, you can go back to your seat right now. Go back to your seat right now. Okay, so I have the model answer. You all check whether it is correct. Okay. Okay, so we find I noticed that you all actually did it correctly, over here, but now after looking at the model answer, is there any changes that you all need to do?
No.
Yes, yes.
Okay, you can go back. So that is the purpose of the model answer. You all verify and change whatever is needed. Okay, so now the next thing I want you to do, look at your church environment, and then for you, choose and decide on yourself, the conflict style that you can use in the church. For the fly, you look at the style, the avoiding and accommodating, and look at the style that you cannot apply in the church. Okay, you have 2 minutes to do that. just concentrate on the avoiding and accommodating. And you concentrate on the competing and the collaborating. Why? The style that can apply. And the style that you should not apply.
Because being accommodating is basically sacrificing yourself. This one is still this one is like you just sweep it under the carpet and say no. Just forget about it. You don't just say it's you. Just
You have 1 more minute to do that. Okay? You finish? Okay. Now I want you all to swap side, okay? But maybe name 1, 2, 1, 2.
1,
2, 1. 1, 2, 1. Okay, the 2 remain, the 1 move.
So sorry, Freddie, I need to go out again.
Oh, okay.
I have an urgent matter for him.
One stay here, one, two here, stay.
One.
you go there lah. I normally almost one go already.
Okay.
Because we all person go one.
Okay, so
One.
yeah, so, good.
One.
Oh,
Same lah.
man, one or two? That's two.
So look at it. Okay, any comments here? Anything you agree or you disagree?
The start of the church collaborate. So that's one plus one. Why plus the church love one another? The church both
Okay, time's up. Go back to your seat. Okay, I know that you all are pastors and leader of the church. You all have to attend to some urgent phone call. But try to do it during lunchtime or during break time. Okay, because we are running short of time, and when you are away, nobody you will miss out a lot of things. Okay, so it is best that you try to do it during break. But in the meantime, if you have anything to ask, you can ask our brother here, and he will be very willing to share with you. If not, you can come and see me later. Okay. So now I want to, okay, the identify. I want the class to come to the flip chart. We already done that. Okay, we already do all these things done. Now I want to actually ask you to do a role play. Okay, read it very fast, and then within 2 minutes, come up and do a role play. Okay, use your own words.
So you want to be John?
Okay, any group ready? Okay, come and do a role play.
I watch your The overall idea is John want to go. Overall is pastor to want you to go.
Yep.
I'll just try to make something else.
Hello?
Hello?
Pastor, I need your advice.
Yes. How can I help you?
I am 3 months pregnant, but the doctor said the baby may not be normal. What should I do?
Have you spoken to your husband?
Yeah, we are thinking of aborting it.
Actually, I am a bit busy right now, so can you solve this on your own?
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, bye.
Can I call you another time?
If I'm free, yes.
Oh,
Okay, but now I'm busy.
when will your next availability be?
Not sure yet. I will keep you updated.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay. What is your comments?
Pastor is avoiding the problem.
Pastor is avoiding the problems. Okay, so can the pastor avoid the problems?
Cannot.
Cannot. Okay, but in situation like that, okay, in situation like that, pastor don't like to handle these kind of cases. Okay, because asking you to abort is against biblical. Asking you to keep the baby, is also a problem. What happens if the baby is really not normal? Then it will be a burden to the parents. Okay, so now who want to do the next role play?
So I Pastor. And John.
Hey John,
Hey, Pastor.
yeah, I'm going to Jakarta next week for.
Yeah, I've heard that you in Jakarta.
Yes.
Wow. You need people to go with you, right?
No need. It's fine. I can set it on my own.
Why? I think another person to go with you is very good, no?
I prepared everything well already. Don't need any more help.
I'm a very helpful person, I tell you, Pastor.
But
They
it's
don't know me well enough, Pastor.
sufficiently prepared already. Don't need your help.
Actually, I can always contribute a lot to your trip.
Oh. Yeah, I'll think about it.
Yeah, think hard about it because I have a master's in theology. I can help.
I will go back and think. I let you know again.
Yeah. You sure you want to think now?
Okay, comments from the flight side.
The pastor is compromising.
The pastor is compromising,
Yes.
and is compromising good.
Half.
In this case,
In this case,
probably not.
yes,
Yeah.
because actually you do not, he's not prepared on time for the trip, and he's supposed to do training to the pastors overseas. So compromising is actually just a form of a quick solution to a problem, but it's not a fully think through problems situation. Okay, so I believe you all know what to do now. Okay, so I want you all to do.
Correct, on top.
Correct.
On top.
Okay, lock in. Only two.
One.
Only four. Who are the two? Not locked in yet. There's no good style or bad style. Okay, the style that you apply or you use depend on the circumstances, and also based on your gathering of information. Okay, so this is very important. So who is this? Okay, you are such a nice group of people. Okay, so everybody have. we want to actually pair it off into, and discuss what are the most common conflict in your church and how are you going to go about solving it. Okay, in pairs. I give you 1 minute to do that. Okay, so I believe, I believe that all of you have learned something and can apply it in your church. Okay, so let us not be afraid of conflict. Let us face conflict together with the members and try and solve it.
Okay.
Can I share? Can I just voice out what one of the conflicts I face?
Maybe we will do it offline, okay, because the time is up. Okay, fathers and leaders, okay, don't forget to go online to give your feedback. Wow, really,